So we are having a continuous distribution exponential. So the cumulative distribution function or distribution function, okay, both are the same. If you are given a distribution function or if you are given a cumulative distribution function, both are the same. Okay, so we are going to find out what is the cumulative distribution function or distribution function of exponential distribution. And we are having the probability density function of exponential distribution as theta a raised to minus theta x for x greater than 0 equal to 0 otherwise. That means x is having probability theta e raised to minus theta x for 0 less than x less than infinity, and for other points of x or for other intervals of x, probability is 0. Okay. Now we can see what is the cumulative distribution function of exponential distribution. So cumulative distribution function is denoted by capital F of x, and by definition it is probability of x less than or equal to x. So which is equal to integral minus infinity to x f of x dx. Now we can split this integral as minus infinity to 0 f of x dx plus integral 0 to x f of x dx. From minus infinity to 0, f of x is what? For 0 to infinity, this is our f of x. And in all other intervals, it is 0. So, in this interval, that is from minus infinity to 0, our integral is 0 plus integral 0 to x. What is f of x? Theta e raised to minus theta x dx. Now let us integrate this. So theta is a constant, we can take that outside. Now integral e raised to minus theta x is e raised to minus theta x divided by minus theta over the limit 0 to x. Now we can cancel theta, and here you are having a minus and apply the limit. So this is e raised to minus theta x minus e raised to 0. E raised to 0 is 1, right? This is 1. So this will become minus of minus 1 is 1 minus what? E raised to minus theta x. So this is capital F of x, that is probability of x less than or equal to x. Then what will be probability of x greater than x, which is 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to x, complementary probability. That is 1 minus what is probability of x less than or equal to x, which is the cumulative distribution function, which is 1 minus e raised to minus theta x. So 1 getting cancelled and minus of minus plus we are having e raised to minus theta x. So in the next problem, which is I am going to upload, we will be using these two things, that is distribution function and the complementary case of distribution function. By using this we can directly find out the answer. Otherwise you can integrate the function and you can find the answer.